In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Facebook highlight notifications 5 minutes. If those pop-up highlights keep distracting you while you're browsing, we're going to silence them right from Facebook's settings so they stop appearing in your web browser. Start by opening your browser and heading to facebook.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click your profile picture. That opens your account menu where you'll find all the key controls you need. From that menu, click Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook groups controls for your account, privacy, and notifications. Inside this area, look for Notifications. That page manages everything Facebook can send you, including push alerts, emails, and text messages. Today, we're focusing on the messages that show up in your browser, which is where those highlight notifications typically pop up. Scroll through the Notifications page until you see the section labeled Browser. This section specifically controls push notifications that appear while you're using Facebook on the web. Click Browser to open its options. If you use Google Chrome, you'll see an option called Chrome Push Notification. If you're on another browser, you might see a similar label for that browser instead. Go ahead and click that option. Now toggle it off. When the switch is off, Facebook will stop sending highlight notifications through your browser. This doesn't delete your notifications, it simply prevents them from interrupting you on the screen. You can still find all your alerts, including highlights, inside the notifications bell on Facebook whenever you want to check them. A quick note, interfaces change occasionally, so if you don't see the exact wording, look for the browser-specific push notification option under the browser section. Also, if you use more than one browser, you'll need to manage this in each one's Facebook settings since the toggle applies per browser. After turning it off, give it a moment or refresh your Facebook tab. You should no longer see highlight pop-ups from Facebook in that browser. If you ever want them back, just return to the same browser area, select your browser push option, and toggle it on again. That's all it takes. You've just deactivated Facebook highlight notifications in your browser, keeping your screen clear and your focus intact, while still preserving your notifications in the app. If this helped, consider checking your other notification categories on the same page to fine-tune what you see and when. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.